Hi, this is my book for Paris Jackson, daughter of Michael Jackson. And this is Starlet from London, my doggy. Okay, I made this book because Paris is not very well at the moment, suffering from, well, recovering from grief really. Inside we have, you're gonna have a nice look. Okay, this is the first page. There's Paris. And this is a poem I wrote. It says, "My dear sweet Paris, my heart goes out to you across the ocean blue. I recall the time of how a young girl so brave spoke of love for her father in front of millions on stage. I've watched you from afar, the actress acting strong, yet so hard for you to cope when a huge part of you is gone. Whenever I feel lonely, whenever I feel blue, I hide protected in my invisible bubble. It helps to get me through. A bubble full of color, a bubble full of light. No one get close to hurting me when I'm creating something bright. Your bodyguards will be there wherever you may go. Please dream big inside your head, magical places you will go. It's time to escape and be in that movie. Don't live in anyone's shadow. Be you and be free. Love and light, Louise M. Crowley." Are you having a good sniff? Good girl. You like the book? Okay. There's Paris, and this is her friend Michaela Blanks. She's a model, you know. There we go. There's Paris, looking through the window. You can't eat the book. Paris tasty? There's my dog Amber, she used to be my dog. She's my guardian angel. Look at her. There she is. There's Paris and Michaela. Again. Shining on it. Michaela. Hold my hand. I like this one. Je t'aime, Paris. You are not alone. Now here you get to the middle of the book and you have to rotate it. As you can see, it's upside down. So you rotate it like that. And there you have another. The first half is called I Love Paris in the Springtime, and the second half is called, sounds like Teen Spirit. As Paris is a great Nirvana fan, and it's really named after Smells Like Teen Spirit, their song. But as you can see, as it takes place in a haunted house, we will call it Teen sounds like team spirit. Of course, there might be a lot of screaming going on. Ah! This is Sarah J. Rooney, Sarah, I should say. And she's a great friend of Paris's. This is my little dog, Starlet. Yes, Starlet, as you saw before, she's run off now somewhere to get some food. There's the lovely Sarah. Lovely face. There we go. And there we have Gone Haunting. It's the doorway. And then Paris's eye, looking through the keyhole. There's Paris. And there's Starlet. And there's... I'm from London, so I added a bit of Union Jack into it. It's Paris with a Nirvana t-shirt. All of these images, they were Paris's own photos, and I just like added bits, different backgrounds, and different bits and pieces. Okay. And this one says the lyrics of MJ's song, Somewhere in the Dark. It says, when someone in the dark reaches out to you and touches of a spark that comes shining through, it tells you never be afraid. Then somewhere in your heart you can feel the glow, a light to keep you warm when the night winds blow. As it was written in the stars I knew that someone in the dark was you. There's Sarah. She's been a great friend to Paris, very loyal, just as Michaela has. And there's me. And here we have another poem which says, looking at you, Paris, before my very eyes I see a flashback to my younger days staring back at me. A girl with talent, a girl with dreams. You're still just a teen, but feel torn at the seams. Creative spirits like many we are, so misunderstood. Others cloud our brightness as we hide under a hood. Made to feel like outcasts when we know that deep inside we have unique and special gifts God never meant for us to hide. We must ignore the negative haters, turn the tables on them and make haters your motivators. Return from the darkness, for surely you are blessed. Allow in only those that support you, for that's the key to happiness. There's the key. We hold the key. So, that is the other half of the book. And it rotates again. There you go. Thank you for watching. It's all for love. L.O.V.E.